This 2023 Coachmen Prism Select 24FS is a Class C RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachmen is 24 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 5, microwave, awning, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, external shower, skylight, water heater, slide-out, carbon monoxide detector, and 35 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2023 Coachmen Prism Select 24FS is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.